In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add jQuery in Elementor, a popular page builder for WordPress. If you're looking to enhance your Elementor-powered website with advanced design features or functionalities that plain HTML and CSS can't offer, jQuery might be your solution. Let's dive into how you can seamlessly incorporate jQuery into your Elementor designs. First, you want to ensure that jQuery is already enabled in your WordPress setup. Thankfully, WordPress typically comes with jQuery bundled and enabled by default. However, it's always a good idea to double-check. Head over to your WordPress dashboard and click on Appearance, then Theme Editor. From there, open your theme's functions.php file. Look for any lines of code that include jQuery, or consider adding this snippet just to be sure, WP&Q script jQuery. Save any changes before moving on. This snippet ensures that jQuery is loading correctly and consistently across your site. Now that we know jQuery is enabled, we'll use it within Elementor. Start by opening your WordPress dashboard and navigate to the page you want to edit with Elementor. Open the page using the Elementor editor. Once you're in the interface, look for the Advanced section of whichever element you wish to enhance with jQuery. Within the Advanced tab, you'll find a section called Custom CSS or Custom Attributes, depending on your Elementor plan. While CSS customization is available even on the free Elementor version, inserting scripts like jQuery requires a bit more. For these types of interactions, it's important to note that you need to be using Elementor Pro. If you're not currently using the Pro version, consider upgrading or finding a workaround using external plugins or your theme's files. With Elementor Pro, you can directly add a jQuery script block into the HTML widget. Simply drag an HTML element onto your page where you want your jQuery to influence, and write your jQuery code within script tags. Here's a pro tip: always make sure your jQuery code doesn't conflict with other JavaScript on your page. A good practice is to wrap your jQuery script with this code format, function, your jQuery code, jQuery. This ensures that jQuery will run in no conflict mode, preventing any compatibility issues with other scripts. Before wrapping up, make it a habit to test your changes thoroughly. Once your jQuery code is in place, preview the page to ensure everything behaves as expected. Look for any errors in your browser's developer console and troubleshoot them as necessary. Congratulations! You've now learned how to effectively add jQuery to your Elementor project. This powerful combination opens up endless design possibilities, allowing you to create intricate animations, dynamic style changes, and much more. Remember, the key to success with coding is practice and testing, so don't hesitate to experiment and explore new ideas. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Happy developing!